Robert was an amazing tour guide, friendly, knowledgeable, and made the experience unforgettable. The workshops, especially the herbal inhaler, were unique and fun. Cultural dances were entertaining, with my wife joining the bamboo dance. Great buffet lunch, tom yum soup was fantastic, plus lots to explore, museum, elephants, costumes, and more. For me, Package B is highly recommended. Overall, Thani Cultural Village is a must-visit, and I'll definitely return. This was a very good experience. A tour guide led us through the park and proactively took photos for us. We were very satisfied with the buffet food, and they even invited you to dance. Overall, a 10/10 experience. However, it's best to arrive early. We arrived at 4 p.m., and it closes at 6 p.m., which is not the 7:30 p.m. stated on Klook. A worthwhile experience. The park activities are well organized and suitable for families to explore and experience Thai culture. Our guide, Mr. Robert, provided very detailed explanations and excellent service.